All right, Bill, from the inside, making the holes that we always make. And normally you always see us on the outside of this roof doing this. And if you have one of these old metal roofs, you are going to have stuff like this going on in them. It's metal. It's a galvanized roof. They get any dampness in here, you will have that rust. Sure will. There's places that we have to put blocking in because it doesn't touch up there, and our plywood needs to screw right there to that outside edge. So we will be adding some blocking wherever we need it at. He's been cleaning this place up. He's blocked around all the floors. This is Radar NJ. He's been watching my videos for a long time, and decided to get the travelers down here and see what we could do for him on this one. So we're getting it started this morning. Anywhere in here.
Yeah. So what is the corner?
We got a big bend in here. Touching down there already. Look, let's go to this one. Drop your end. Drop your end till you come right.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah, I'm pressing right there.
You're not long enough down there. That's what that is.
Yeah, it's like 4 inch.
That one right there is short.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That stud is short, and this one's short. All you have to do is put a piece of plywood under it. Not that. That's no good.
No.
Piece of OSB. We'll probably be able to push it up with a couple of us, huh? Yeah, these two need to come up. We just ran a string line down through here, and it's really low right here. These two, but we can do it with a piece of plywood if we.
These right in here.
Well, if we put something thin under it, I was thinking that something thin, but
That's doing it anyway.
Wedge.
yeah, that's not even straight. Oh, that might have made a difference right there. That straightened it up a lot.
This is straight.
Hey, listen, should be on top of the stud, but I don't think it's going to bend in between 16 inches.
It does when you start rolling.
All right,
So they ain't got no weight there.
I think we're pretty good. I think we're pretty good.
Yeah, could cut this ball square we're in.
Looking good, looking good. We're just giving some bracing, some strength in this one area, because you will notice on your mobile roof, if you ever went up one, this is not necessarily connected to the house, except for the outside walls. So I don't know why they don't connect these, and they're literally, I mean, they just, I guess, lack less screws, but they're not connected, so we needed to give some support down through here. I think was our main thing. The only other thing that had a mobile home and it was gutted, this is what you'd be looking at if it was gutted. I'm going back too, so it's your end.
I'm good. Yeah, I want at the same time.
I like it. Nice.
Not 2 footers.
Huh?
Not 2 footers.
Yes, we need some little short blocks. Paul, put this somewhere you know it's at.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, this is what your place would look like, just like this. Now, as you can see, normally we go on the top of the roof when we pop lines. Didn't have to, because we can reach them right here from the inside. So all this light that you see on these edges are the rafters we marked the lines on, which we generally do from the top. But we have, excuse me, Chris, we have all this room in here. I figured we'd do it from here. So he's put some bracing and some blocking everywhere where he said sags. He's blocked all the way out to the end wall. I like that over there, what he did. I like what he did over there. He filled it completely in. Filled it completely in, all the way touching. See, because normally you'll notice on your roof, that original rafter that goes across there, because they got a flow that comes down through here. The problem we end up running into all the time from the top side is we can get this on camera. I'm hoping. The rafter right there doesn't run all the way up to the metal. Okay, because they have an angle up there. And unfortunately, they don't build them that way. So we run out of things to screw to, except for the outside edge right here. So that's the problem we end up with. I'm really hoping that shows up on video. But what he's done by adding all these 2x6 is going to make a huge difference. We're adding bracing. Where there isn't any now. Like this area. See? The rafter that they make doesn't come all the way to the top of the roof. Leaves a space right there. And got a big space right here. We want to fill them spaces in.
Yeah.
That's a big one. We got to fill them in with a 2x6, man. That's definitely big.